Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a star. So let's get started. First, draw a line outwards and continue downwards. At here, draw a line to the left downwards and to the right. Here, draw a line to the right downwards and to the left. Just following with me, slowly. And here too. Draw the eyes. Inside with a circle and a smaller circle. Now draw the details. Three lines here. And the mouth. Inside with a curve. And color it red here. Now we have a cute star. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.